Welcome back to my channel. To a cold, later on it's supposed to be a wet day. Got a little bit down on C10 yesterday. I'm coming over here to check. Got the tape with some resin on it. I started fiberglass on this side. I got a little bit sanded down, but as soon as I got started, I don't know if I put too much hardener or what, but that first part clunked up like that in just minutes. But that's not what this video is about. It is going to be short, excuse me, because I was getting ready to, well, I've been checking to see when LMC is going to be shipping the tools I need to help install the windshield. Because I noticed they haven't shipped it out anytime this week. So I was looking into it. They're temporarily closed. So I don't know what to do about my parts I need. That's very disappointing. I might decide different ways of actually shield installed, because I don't want to wait forever. So that's a little disappointing. Do got the tools that I bought, which is a suction cup, but it's coming from Texas. I believe it's the one that's coming from Texas, and it hasn't been shipped out either, but that shouldn't take too long. It's supposed to come in Thursday, but now I don't know when my other part's supposed to come in, and can't work on the C10 today because they're calling for rain later on, and I'm pretty sure as soon as I get started on it, it would probably start pouring down rain. I had plans on doing a little bit to it, but it is too cold to do stuff, and it's going to be too wet to do stuff, so that's a little disappointing. But it is what it is. That's some stuff I can look at and stuff that do in the house. Other than that, I'm just going to go to the store, get me a few things from groceries. I might go ahead and get stuff, even though it's early. Go get some stuff for supper. Get ready for me to get ready to go to work, back to work tomorrow. Don't really want to go back where I work at. I've never hated a place so much. It's not hard work. I'm too old to handle the code. Anyway, I'm going to end the video here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see y'all in the next video.